So the role of a technical web producer is very significant, that no website today will actually exist without the input of a technical web producer. A technical web producer is, let's say, the last person that contributes within the software development lifecycle, SDLC. For those of you that don't even know what software lifecycle development lifecycle is, I can quickly explain that to you briefly. So what to say, software development lifecycle, this is just basically like the process, okay, the process of planning, defining requirements, designing and prototyping the requirements, and then building the software or developing the software, and then you get onto testing, and then deployment of the final products. All right, and then the end bit is usually like the operations and maintenance. You see, you as a web producer will be involved at this point already. Now, this design and prototyping phase, you might be involved, because again, this is someone that will be interacting with different members of the tech team. You might be involved here. You might also be involved here. You will be involved here anyway, because the developers cannot proceed without your input. They will need to like build what the business actually needs, okay, and also to not only to just to build it, but also to ensure that these things actually work. So these developers, their role is to actually build templates. Let's use website, because this is the most use case, websites as an example. The web developers will build the web templates that you are going to then use to build each page of the websites that we're talking about. Okay, you'll be involved here. You'll be involved in the testing as well, because you are the expert within the team that will be working with the QA team, to test and assess the website in general, just to ensure that, okay, the templates that the developers have built are actually working correctly as expected, for the needs. You'll be involved here, and when it comes to the deployment as well, this is your work, because you will be the final person to actually push the publish buttons. You publish all the contents on the website and make it live, and after which we can actually say, yes, we have gone live. This is the right point for us to actually define the role of a web producer. You see, a technical web producer is responsible for building the web pages of a website using different templates that have been created by software developers or by web developers. Okay, from my experience working with different companies, with different teams and different people, different organizations, they call this role, they've given this role like all kinds of names. Yeah, you might work with a team where they call this role web publisher. They can call the same person a CMS editor, or a CMS publisher, a CMS producer. What is a CMS? It's content management system. So a content management system is what you use to like manage content for the websites, for the organization. We've got all kinds of systems out there, CMS out there, like WordPress is the most popular actually. You've got Drupal, you've got Contentful, you've got Joomla, you've got Magento, OS Commerce, and so many of them that I cannot even remember right now. Now, your role as a web publisher is to help the business to actually build each page of their websites.